Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on controlling. By the end of the video, you will learn about meaning, importance and features of control. You will also learn about the control process, essentials of a good control system, types of control and techniques of control. In the realm of management, controlling acts as the compass, ensuring that the organization's direction aligns with its strategic objectives. It's akin to the captain of a ship, meticulously navigating through the vast ocean, making sure every turn, every speed adjustment, and every route chosen leads towards the intended destination. Controlling is about maintaining a vigilant eye on the horizon, ensuring that the collective efforts of the organization are cohesively directed towards achieving set goals, thereby optimizing resource utilization and maximizing efficiency. Imagine controlling as a sophisticated mechanism, where we, as future managers, play a pivotal role in harmonizing resources, actions, and strategies to fulfill the organization's objectives. This mechanism operates on precision, aligning every task, every project, and every departmental goal with the overarching plans of the organization. It's about creating a symphony of coordinated actions, where the outcome of one influences the success of others, ensuring a seamless flow towards organizational excellence. Henry Fayol, a visionary in the field of management, underscored the essence of control in his principles. He envisioned management as a discipline where every action, every decision, and every outcome is in harmony with the plans, instructions, and principles established at the outset. Fayol's perspective on control emphasizes a proactive approach to identifying discrepancies, addressing them promptly, and learning from these experiences to forge a path of continuous improvement and error mitigation. Control is indispensable for several compelling reasons. It acts as the organization's radar, adept at detecting deviations and potential pitfalls, enabling timely corrective measures. This not only ensures that all departments are synchronized in their efforts but also fosters a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Control transforms decision-making into a structured, clear-cut process, thereby enhancing managerial effectiveness and facilitating the achievement of organizational objectives with precision and clarity. Controlling is distinguished by its cyclical nature, creating a feedback loop that begins with planning and culminates in controlling. This loop is essential, as it ensures a constant alignment with the strategic plan, adjusting as necessary to stay on course. It's a perpetual process, always looking ahead, drawing lessons from the past, and applying them to improve future actions. This process is not confined to the upper echelons of management but permeates every layer, ensuring a uniform commitment to excellence across the organization. The control process kicks off with the establishment of standards. These benchmarks are the lighthouses guiding the organizational ship, derived from the strategic vision outlined during the planning phase. They serve as the yardstick against which all future performances are measured, providing clear targets for the organization to strive towards. Whether tangible, like sales targets, or intangible, like employee morale, these standards must be quantifiable, realistic, and ambitious yet achievable, ensuring they guide the organization towards its strategic objectives effectively. Measuring actual performance is akin to taking the pulse of the organization, assessing its health against the benchmarks established. This step is crucial, as it offers a mirror reflecting the organization's current state in relation to its goals. It involves an extensive collection of data, scrutinizing every detail to understand the nuances of our performance. This analysis is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the story behind the data, providing insights into where we excel and where we need to pivot to align more closely with our strategic goals. After measurement comes comparison, a critical juncture where we juxtapose the actual performance with our established standards. This is where the rubber meets the road, revealing whether we're on the path to success or if there are discrepancies that need our immediate attention. It's a moment of truth, determining if our strategies are bearing fruit or if we need to recalibrate our efforts to ensure alignment with our overarching objectives. When deviations are identified, the real work begins. Taking corrective action might involve refining our processes, adopting innovative technologies, or investing in the development of our team. The essence of corrective action lies in its ability to adapt and evolve our strategies, ensuring that we not only meet our standards but also enhance our operational efficiency. The objective is clear: to ensure our journey aligns with our strategic map, correcting our course when necessary to avoid future obstacles and reach our destination successfully. Feedback is the compass that guides our control process. It provides a continuous stream of information about our performance relative to our standards. Positive feedback is a beacon of success, signaling that our strategies are effective and our goals are being met. However, negative feedback is equally valuable, as it prompts a thorough examination of our processes and motivates us to make the necessary adjustments. This dynamic feedback loop is heartbeat of the control process, ensuring that our actions remain aligned with our objectives and facilitating a culture of continuous improvement and excellence. A robust control system is characterized by its ability to be tailored to the specific needs of different departments or units, its flexibility in adapting to changes, and its capability to provide immediate reports on deviations. It must be forward-looking, preventing potential deviations before they occur, and capable of distinguishing between minor and major deviations to prioritize strategic initiatives. Control mechanisms can be applied at various stages of a process, embodying the principles of feed-forward, concurrent, and feedback controls. Feed-forward controls act as preventative measures, identifying potential issues before they arise. Concurrent controls are the guiding hands, ensuring that operations proceed smoothly as they happen. Feedback controls are the reflective eyes, reviewing completed actions to glean insights for future planning. Each type of control plays a crucial role in maintaining the equilibrium of the organization, ensuring that operations are not only efficient but also aligned with our strategic vision. Gantt charts offer a visual representation of project timelines, enabling easy monitoring of progress against planned schedules. Break-even analysis sheds light on the financial dynamics of our operations, guiding us towards sustainable profitability. Budgetary controls serve as our financial compass, directing our resource allocation to ensure the most effective use of assets. For complex projects, PERT and CPM stand as our strategic planners, providing detailed frameworks to manage resources and timelines efficiently, ensuring we meet our objectives and deliver projects successfully. Mastering the art of controlling is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. It is about steering our organization with confidence and precision, ensuring that every decision, every action, and every strategy propels us toward our goals. As future leaders, embracing the principles of controlling will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complexities of organizational management, driving success and achieving excellence. And that's it for now. We conclude this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.